Oh, yes, we do in fact have some surprise pennies, but before we get there, we need to talk about the pennies we thought were coming because it's another wacky one. So, as a group of us were searching in the wee hours of the morning, there were still stores, are still stores that have not flipped on anything. One store it shows these are still half price, another store it shows they're a penny. Same thing goes for the medicine. I only found it pennied at maybe 2 or 3 stores out of, I don't know, maybe 30. So that one's, I would say, the medicine is a huge your miles may vary. The rest of it, I think it's a your miles may vary, but also I have stopped searching as of about 5:45 this morning. So hoping by the time of open, everything will flip over. So, like anything else, you want to make sure they're pennies before you take them to the register. But at this point, you need to check them before you ever leave your house, which you normally should be doing. So, make sure to enter in these UPCs or scan them before you ever go to that store. Work smarter, not harder. And here are your handy dandy cheat sheets. You've got our original supposed to penny today, your C4s, your lean bars. Then we have our medicines. And then next up, our surprise pennies. And don't worry, I've also got a couple cheat sheets on those for you as well. Yay, we guessed right. More of our C4 drinks did in fact penny, along with more of our healthy, protein type drinks. So make sure you're looking all over because these are not on a list, so the managers don't know about them.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain.
Hey there, Easy Penny Shopping, and of course I'm at the Dollar General. Came out to do a little clearance shopping and food shopping because we've got like some double and triple dips on some food. And I need to get my mom some stuff, and well, I have an overflowing car. Oh, and more obviously to send south. So let's see what I got. I was surprised a lot of these things were still left. Came to do just a few things, and there you go. So anywho, I was super excited Sunday morning when I was watching my stores for the remodel flip, and they didn't, to see new gain coupons. So I'm doing the buy 4, and what's awesome is these all have a $1.05 off coupon. So that one has a $1.05 off, that one does, and that one does. Okay, not that fourth one, but so that's an additional $3.15 off. Then going along still with gain, these are only $3. There's a $2 coupon, making them only $1. And our Ajax Palmolive is on sale. There's a coupon, what is it, like save $3.50. So these are the medium bottles. They're like $2.25 each. Buy 2, save $3.50. Shelf tag was wrong. They were actually $2.50 each. I was price gouged at the DG. Shocking. I found a penny back in clearance. It was like hanging off the side of the shelf. Okay. Oh my gosh. And they still have clearance toilet paper. Super excited about that. Oh my, okay. Like I said, I was shocked they still had stuff here. So I found 3 of the different dual Febreze plug-ins. So there's a $5 coupon, making them 17 cents. It's kind of funny. There's one of each. Okay. Then Head and Shoulders, there's a $1.50 coupon off that. I feel like it's like $2 and some change before the coupon. And then these are buy 2, save $3. I have a friend that I shop for a lot, so those are going to be like $2 and some change after the coupon. Nope, they were marked incorrectly. I did not pay attention. They were $3.75 each. Get good razor. So technically, I paid $4.50 out of pocket. Dang-a-lang. I swear I've bought this in the last 4 clearance sales. There's like always a coupon. That's something you get used to with the clearance sales. But yeah, so I found 3 of these. There are more, but I'm going to leave them. And they're what, $1.73. There's a dollar coupon, 73 cents. Make sure you dig, because I found these like all the way to the edge of the clearance, like at the bottom. So these bad boys also have a dollar coupon attaching. And then just a single this one also has a coupon attaching. It might be a buy two. I'll pop it up there. And these don't have coupons, but they're only like 90 cents or 93 cents. They have a lot of them, so I don't know. I think I grabbed like 5 or 6 to send south. And then I'll save the rest for Penny Day. Okay, food. You know I'm always searching for food deals. My roommates, my kids and my husband eat too much. Okay, toaster strudels. Coupon for toaster strudels, like buy 2, save something. I'll pop it up. Plus toaster strudels and all of our old El Paso and our Totinos. It's been 10, save 2. So basically, I'm getting toaster strudels mixed with rice, mixed with Totino's pizzas, mixed with, okay, so on the Totino's pizza, there's buy 3, save $1.50. There's also on the tortillas, I think it's save $1 if you buy 2. Again, plus the $2 off 10 attaches. So I've got 3 orders basically. I think that's it. Oh, and then that, no. Yeah, the General Mills cereal also attaches. So I'm getting 2 of those. Plus there's obviously, I think $1 off 2 on those. Oh wait, just kidding. Pepsi, Mountain Dew, bottles on sale. 4 for $14. Mountain Dew has a coupon, $1 off if you buy 2. So 4 for $13. Did you make it? Comment below and let me know. Have you donated to any states due to the horrific tragedies? What state or states have you donated to? And are you in Florida? And are you evacuating before this storm? Okay, I think that's enough questions. All right. Thanks so much for making it all the way through. Happy Penny Day.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter.